Hello again. I'm Andrew Smith from the UK Open University, leading the Cisco Academy Support Centre. Always a bit of a mouthful, I'm afraid. In the first video, we showed you how to create your class, which you can see here as the Linux Essentials December the 16th class. This is going to be a pretend class for us at the Open University, but a good example for you. And what we're now going to do is activate and get this class going. And in the third video, which you'll watch after this, you'll be able to add students. So all you need to do is click on the class and we wait for it to load. Always a joy waiting for things to load, especially when you're doing a demonstration video. The first thing you'll notice immediately over to the right hand side is that it is not published. Okay, all classes are unpublished. You will create a class, you will publish a class, you will add students to a class. A lot of instructors, a lot of teachers, a lot of academics make the mistake of creating the class, adding students, and then telling students to log in, and the students going, I can't see the class, sir and miss, whatever. That is because you have forgotten to publish it. So this is an important step. But before you publish it, I'd like to look at something with you, which is down here in the settings. So we'll just go down to the bottom left-hand side and click on settings, because this is quite important, especially for many schools and academies. A lot is turned off by default in the Linux Essentials class, but you need to look at the tools, because you will discover that there are some discussions pages, there's some announcements pages, and there are some people pages. And a lot of courses that you will set up, these will appear by default, which means that students can talk to each other and can see each other. Now, safeguarding in some schools, classroom management, student management, them having inappropriate conversations, all of that kind of stuff can be a problem. At the Open University, we have our own fully moderated forums that we want the students to have a conversation with in. So here we hide everything. If you want them to see each other or use this tool as discussions, all you have to do is drag it up to the top. If that is something you want for your students, no problem with that whatsoever. But do check what is visible and what is invisible. Up there is all the minimum information that you need. They need the modules, they need the assignments, the grades, the resources. Collaborations may be a tool that you may or may not want, but it's up to you as an academy and as a teaching team to make those decisions. Once you've done that, just click on save and it will take you back to the main settings page. Then all you need to do is click on home and then publish the class. So we're just waiting for it, and here it is loaded. Okay, so that class is now visible to any student, anybody that is enrolled in that class, and it is as straightforward as that. You will also discover that these classes are editable, and you can add your own features in there. You can add Twitter feeds, you can add Google Drive components, you can add many other features into these classes. But I think that is for you to discover, and at the moment this video is briefly about creating and publishing the class so that it is publicly visible on net account to your students. So thank you very much. I am Andrew Smith from the UK Open University.